Hello everyone, welcome again to another interesting video that you will definitely gonna enjoy. See, beautiful pattern of hair that you can definitely make it to your kid on her birthday or any other beautiful lovely occasion to give it a glamorous look. Now just make a ponytail, split it into two and then again into two and make these lovely patterns on both the sides to give it a look of a crown. Yes. Now, proceeding further, we have another interesting hairstyle for you in store. See these lovely patterns of hair with colorful flowers in between. That will definitely make you stand out from the crowd. Proceeding further in the video, we have another thing that will make your daughter look lovely. So why won't you try these macking hairstyles and make yourself look stand up in the crowd and become glamorous beauty? See the crown hairstyle. Yes, this is something which looks really outstanding. Yes. See, another thing that we are doing here is clubbing it into the one and then tying it with a strawberry rubber band. Now just let's move further and see what lovely hairstyles are here. As you can see in the video, that girl is making some patterns in the hair like this, crisscrossing and making lovely hairstyle. Let's see what other hairstyles we have now. This is a heart-shaped, beautiful, lovely pattern with the side curls and it will definitely make your day, right? Now let's see what are we having next. We are tying this with the help of a red rubber band. That too, yes, this is looking amazing. Making it into a French ponytail and this will clearly give your hair a nice look. Isn't it amazing? Just focus on the end result and see what are we going through now. Which patterns, which hairstyles are going to suit you now. With stylish curls and side pleats, that will make you look really pretty. Hairs are something that will definitely add to your beauty. It enhances your look and make you feel confident enough. And here's another hairstyle that will keep you going all the time. And yes, you can always use your favorite rubber bands that will add to your hairstyle. Yes, and these patterns will definitely make you stand out. Yes, another thing, we are crisscrossing from the starting of the hair and there we are making some pleats out of it. Let's see what this girl is doing now. Yes, we are making some beautiful flowers in the hair. That seems to be really interesting. It will be really fascinating for any wedding or for any special occasions. So why would you try this and just share your pictures on social media? Again, we are doing some crisscrossings in the hair and making pleats out of it. Let's see what the end result is going to be. What this girl is going to make into. And the beautiful lovely pattern of hair